Hi. So over the next 30 days, while you're focusing on your nutrition and focusing on your overall wellness and your health, the core of the focus is on yourself. So we've already talked about incorporating movement and exercise of some kind into your daily routine, both during the 30 days and beyond. And something that I also want to talk to you about is your self-care combined with a little bit of mindfulness. So taking some time just to focus on yourself and to just sort of be still and calm your mind, calm your body, and restore a little bit of natural flow is so good for your stress reduction. It's so good for your overall mood, and you'll be surprised once you start taking this practice into your daily routine, how much more clear-headed you're feeling. You're a lot more focused when you actually practice a little bit of quiet, still mindfulness every single day. So I'm going to show you a really simple technique that will help just slow things down a little bit. It's a great thing to do whenever you're feeling stressed. If you're having a moment of just like, "Arr!" do this. But it's also a great thing to do just to kind of get yourself centered, to set the tone, set the pace, and to get yourself into a natural flow. This technique is called box breathing, and it's super easy. So you're going to place your attention on your breathing, on your inhalation and your exhalation. And like a box has equal sides, your breathing is also going to be equal. You're going to have the same number of counts for your inhale as you do for your exhale. And what this does is basically placing your attention on this and really evening out and leveling out how long you're inhaling and how long you're exhaling. That allows your body to restore its natural rhythm of breathing, and it allows you to just calm yourself down. It gives you that stillness and that quiet to really focus on your breath. So if you're stressed out, if you just had a spike of some kind of, emotion, this helps level you back because you're placing that attention not on whatever just made you crazy, but you're placing your attention on your breath. And that breath is bringing your body, which may have had a spike in some kind of breathing, and you could be, and you may not even be that obvious, but your heart could be racing. This brings you back down. And again, even when you're not having a stressed out moment, even if you're just getting started with your day, this gets you started on the right path. So let's just practice. We're going to do a few rounds, and because a box has 4 sides, let's do a 4-second inhale followed by a 4-second exhale, and then just repeat that. And just shut your eyes and just focus on your breath. Ready? Go. Doing that for just a few counts will do wonders for your mood, for your body, and for your overall wellness. So take this and incorporate it into your daily routine whenever you feel like you need it.